Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing Optifine for Minecraft in Linux. This guide will work no matter what distribution you are using. So the first thing you are going to need is Java itself. Now I am in Nobara, which is Fedora based, which means I'm going to be using DNF as my package manager. Now let me just make that a little bit bigger for you to see. You will of course need to figure out what package manager your distribution uses. Now we're just going to search for OpenJDK. Type in your password. Now what we're looking for should be the first result of all the different versions. Here you can see in the repositories I have is Java 1.8 JRE. We also have Java 11 JRE. We also have Java 17 JRE. And if I wanted to, I could even install Java 20 JRE. Now, keep in mind, for older versions of Minecraft, you won't be able to use the newer versions of Java. And for the newer versions of Minecraft, you won't be able to use the older versions of Java. So you're probably going to want to install several different versions. Alright, so you can see I use MultiMC as my launcher. This will also work with the regular Minecraft launcher, and regardless of what launcher you use, you are going to need to run the original installer in order to install Optifine. So here, you just want to go to minecraft.net, log in, and then as for which version you should download other. And we're going to go back to our downloads folder, and we're just going to extract this. Go in here. Now this should already be executable, but if it is not, you can open in terminal and then do chmod +x and then the name of the file. I don't need to do that. Then just double click it. Now you will need to log in, but I already am. Go over to installations, click new installation, and select whatever version for whatever version of Optifine you're installing. I'm gonna go for version 1.7.10. Now whatever version you choose, you are going to need to click play. Alright, now that it's launched, we can quit game and go over and download Optifine. Now you're going to want to get this from optifine.net. I don't recommend getting it from anywhere else. Go to downloads, click show all versions, and I am doing this for version 1.7.10, so I'm going to have to scroll a bit further. You want to hit download. If you don't see the please wait and then the skip button, you may need to disable your ad blocker. Click skip, click download. Then you want to come back over to your downloads folder, open in terminal. Now check which version of Java you have set as default if you've installed multiple versions. I've currently got version 11 selected, but if you had a different version, you can run the command up here, sudo update-alternatives --config java to select a different version. I found Java 11 works well for this. Now you're going to want to run java-jar and then press tab to autocomplete the file name. It should be whatever version of Optifine you have downloaded. Hit enter. And then you can see here, we can just hit extract. And here we go, we have the mod version of the jar, which is what you're going to want to use. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.